Good morning, everyone. This is Curtis Fillers, and I'm going to do a video today and a review on a product that I have. And the name of that product is Auto-Lead Monetiza. So I'm going to demonstrate here in a minute how this works. But first of all, I want to show you exactly what this is. I believe it came out April of 2019 this year, so it hasn't been out that long, but it's a very, very powerful product. I'm very impressed with it. It's a brand new viral traffic plugin, and you add links to any picture or image that you want inside of Facebook, and it monetizes them in like 30 seconds or less. So, and we're talking, this is very, very inexpensive. One-time payment. Um, you can see the price here. One single domain, 780 at the time, and unlimited domains, 2250. 2250, and it's unlimited. It's one-time payment. It's not monthly. It's just one-time payment, and I promise you, it is well, well worth it. This is being used by, of course, affiliate marketers, CPA marketers, bloggers, traffic sellers, social influence, product creators, multi-level marketers, network marketers, internet marketers. I mean, I'm using it and it's just so powerful because it has a place in here where you can set it up to where people have to force share your images, and that's where it becomes very powerful. You just sit back and other people are sharing your images for you. And I'll show you how that's done in just a second. All right. Here you link the pictures to lead capture pages, and then you turn on force sharing to get viral traffic. You can do snapshots of affiliate offers and get force sharing. Link pictures to make contests and giveaways. You link pictures to fan pages, and then you turn on the force sharing to get viral traffic. You can do the same thing with CPA offers, trade traffic, blog articles. You put a blog article on Facebook and you turn on the force sharing and then just let it go. And like I said, I'll show you in just a second how this works. You can link pictures or images to pre-sale pages and bonus pages, link pictures to posts in groups, link pictures to promote your own Facebook group. And it actually basically it goes on and on. You can do this for anything, anything. And remember, this is one-time payment and it's not monthly. It is one-time payment. The force sharing feature. Okay, let me show you that just a second. And also, once you get the product, you also get 3 bonuses. The first bonus is going to be the step-by-step video training on how you get started on the right foot to monetize this. You get 3 extra video free viral traffic methods that you can use with the Auto-Lead Monetizer. Bonus number 2, you get free access to a traffic trading community and support group. It's a Facebook group that all members join hands in the group, share links, picks among each other to the timeline. So everybody shares like their business opportunity inside of there, and everyone does the same thing with each other. You just share it, and all these other people inside the group share it to their friends, and their friends share it, and all this force sharing is continually going on all this time. So I mean, you're getting all kinds of free traffic. Okay, that's bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 are the top 10 converting share kits that you get right here. This is what also you will get. And let me go ahead and show you exactly what I'm talking about here. I've already got this pulled up. I've got a couple offers here on one of my Facebook group pages. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how this works. This is with the force sharing inside the image. It's already set up. So I've got this and I'm going to begin the sharing. I'm going to share this to a group and I'll show you exactly what happens. So right here, like I said, click here to watch the video. This image could be anything. This could be something to your affiliate offer. And so you put this in a Facebook group and they see whatever you got written on here, and then say click to watch the short video. Remember, this is your offer. So you click that, and then this pops up. The bridge page is set up in here. All right. To get access to this short video, share this with just one of your Facebook groups, page, or friends' timeline. Or you can share it on your own timeline, actually. So that person, which right now it's going to be me, but once it goes into the group where I'm sharing it, it continues to happen. So I'll click here to share it. I'm just going to pick a group out to share it with. Okay, I'm going to pick, let's try largest business opportunity on Facebook group. Click there. Now right here, I'm going to post to Facebook. Now remember, when I hit post to Facebook, it goes into that group. Remember that. Okay. Okay. It's just going to that group, but watch what happens. My YouTube video just popped up. See how that works? So now, for instance, that just went into the group. Someone inside that group that I just shared that with sees my image and they want to watch the video. So what they do is what I just did. They'll click on it. That bridge page will pop up. They'll see it and say, okay. So they'll share it to a group or to a friend or to their timeline so they can be able to see this video. They can't see this video until they share it. So then they share it and it just continues on and on and on. And you can do that with any product that you want, any affiliate product. You can do this with your network marketing business. You can put images up that leads to your CBD oil business. I'm going to use that as an example. It could be anything you have. So that's how powerful this is. And you get your stuff to go viral. And now at that point, it's just out there working for you. Your images are just getting shown and shared all over the place, and you only shared it one time. But remember, you can just continuously do this throughout the day into all these other groups. Just go to other groups and share your image and then let it go. Go to another group, put it in there. Somebody will see it. They'll share it. If they want to watch that video or whatever you have on the other side of that bridge page, they're going to have to share it. That's where you turn on the forced sharing. That is so powerful. I cannot emphasize that enough, how powerful that is. But remember, all you got to do is take that one payment for one domain. I highly recommend getting the unlimited domains, because once you get started, you're going to say, oh, I really wished I would have got the unlimited, because you're going to have so much you want to share. And so unlimited at this time is like $22 and some change one time, and you own it. And you get those other 3 bonuses included. But that's my review of this. I give it an A+. I'm very impressed with it and very happy with it. So if you have any questions before you purchase, just contact me here on Facebook, Curtis Fillers. You can send me a friend request or message me, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. But I hope this helps someone. And if you need clickable images and pics on Facebook, this is where you need to be. This is what happens when you do this, and you use that forced sharing in there. It's very, very powerful. So that being said, I hope you all have a great day. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you would like it, and if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that bell down there, and that way you'll be notified when I'm doing other videos or other reviews. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Labor Day here in the U.S., so you all enjoy. Take care.